In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Twilio to make a phone call. We'll walk through the process step by step, from setting up a new flow in the Twilio console to configuring essential settings for making an outgoing call. Whether you're new to Twilio or just looking to refine your skills, this guide will provide the clarity and direction you need to get started. First, we'll dive into the Twilio console, which is essentially the control center for all your telecommunications needs. Once you're in the console, you'll want to navigate to Studio. Studio is a visual tool within Twilio that allows you to create communication workflows, known as flows, without diving too deep into coding. It's perfect for both beginners and experienced users because it combines a user-friendly interface with powerful capabilities. Now, let's get started by creating a new flow. This is an important step because a flow is where you'll design how your call will be executed. You'll begin by selecting the option to create a new flow. Give your flow a descriptive name that aligns with its purpose so that you can easily identify it later on. This organization helps, especially as your projects grow and become more complex. Once your flow is created, we need to add a widget. In the Twilio Studio, a widget is a draggable block that represents an action or a trigger within your flow. For making a call, we'll focus on the Make Outgoing Call widget. This widget is the heart of initiating outbound calls using Twilio. Simply drag it into your workspace within the Studio interface. The next step is configuring your widget, which needs to be done properly to ensure your calls are made to the correct recipient and recognize your caller ID. Start by filling in the To field with the phone number that you wish to call. Be sure to enter the full number, including the country code. This ensures that your call can be routed internationally if needed. Equally important is setting up the From or Caller ID field. This number will be what appears on the recipient's phone when you call. Choose a number that is verified and authorized for use within your Twilio account. If you don't set this up correctly, your call might not be identifiable to your recipient, or worse, it might fail to go through. So in summary, we've covered accessing the Twilio console, creating a new flow in Studio, adding a Make Outgoing Call widget, and configuring crucial details such as the recipient and caller ID numbers. This hands-on experience in setting up an outgoing call with Twilio empowers you to build more personalized and scalable communication solutions. Remember, as you explore Twilio and all its features, your ability to customize and expand upon these workflows will only grow. With these foundational steps in place, you're well on your way to mastering Twilio's potential for your communication needs. Keep practicing and experimenting with different configurations to see how versatile Twilio can truly be.